Welcome back, guys, to the power of editing. I now have the correct RAM mount. It's the X grip. So I ordered it in, but due to the situation right now, it took some time, and here it is. So we're gonna install this, and we're gonna install the wireless charger onto it. So there it is. We'll get this started to finish up the video, and yeah. Also have my memory card, and we're gonna show off the wireless app to finish off the Dashcam. Check it out. So this is the X grip, which will hold the phone. How does it hold the phone, do you ask? Well, you open it up like this. The phone goes in like so, and then you let go of it, and then it opens up. Okay, so what's included? We have a power loom, USB. Here's the actual device with USB and a little cap, so if you have multiple USBs, looks like you can close it off and have it waterproof, kind of cool. Of course, the 3M adhesive, which we'll use to tape to this, so you kind of cover up the X grip, RAM mounts logo. Will just sit like that, and that's why you need the X grip, because this height difference here, even though it's really, really thin, will not work with a slim case. There we go, it's installed. It was so easy, it literally takes 2 seconds. If you have an X grip or you have a RAM mount, you know how it works. It's basically just twist it tight, boom, done. That's like 10 seconds. The power just runs to under your seat. We're gonna do that now. I'll show you how that's done, of course. And here's the phone. There we go, there's the phone installed. You don't even know it's getting charged from behind. That's sick. Under the seat, you will have your positive and negative. You just take the terminals, just like we did the Dashcam, same way. Run the cable all the way down. I have it on the outside right now. I'm gonna run it underneath. But for purposes of the video, I'm gonna show you the actual wireless charging working. When you put the phone in, bam, charged. It is so sweet. The only problem is, it hits the iPhone side thing, so I'm gonna go a little higher. Keep hitting the power button there. That's more of a problem with the X grip, but there you go, guys. Charging in the cradle, take it out, not charging. Wireless charging for your phone on your bike, just like your fancy high-end car. Or nowadays, I guess lots of entry-level cars come with wireless charging, so fantastic. All right, now we're doing the memory card for the Dashcam. We're gonna go into settings. Come down, time watermark yet, take picture sound yet, loop recording 1 minute. So that means every clip is 1 minute. Typical Dashcam stuff if you're familiar with Dashcams. Video resolution is 1080 at 30 frames. Recording sound, yes, nice. Here we go, okay. Back to the menu. Wi-Fi is on. Wi-Fi, this is the important part. It has Wi-Fi. So unlike my other old Dashcam for my bike didn't have Wi-Fi, I can go into this now and get it files remotely and I don't have to take it ever out of the bike. You don't have to touch it. It sits in your trunk and stays there. So I'm gonna go format, confirm.
The TF card has been pulled out. TF card inserted.
I'm gonna set the date. What day is it? Like, so what, day 120 of the quarantine now? App download. Gives you a QR code to scan to get the app. So let's do that. Yep. Hit the button. iOS store. Okay, it's downloading. Let's go back to the Dashcam. Screensaver turns off by itself after 30 seconds. That's also in the settings. So on Wi-Fi, we can see Motocam. Password was 1234567 Join. They even have a little like social media type page with people's clips. That's kind of cool. Okay, so here's the connection process. It says green light indicates that the machine is on. Yes, my Dashcam's on. You can see the green light just on the side of it right there. So you can see it right there. Then we have connect device Wi-Fi Motocam. So we go Wi-Fi, Motocam is enabled. We go back to the app. Done. Look how easy that was. So what's really nice about the app is you can change all the settings from the app, not going through the DVR itself. which is really nice. So we have loop recording, microphone, preview quality, watermarks, download, device, tone, boot tone, all that fun stuff. Even restart. If you're having issues, you can even restart it from the app. So again, I can't stress enough, I absolutely love when something's in the trunk of the bike, you don't have to touch it. Something like this tech should only be touched when you need to access it. Say something happened to your bike or you got into an incident on the road, that's when you should touch this unit. It should work by itself, and that's the beautiful part about this dash cam. So of course, being Canadian, I have to put it into metric, so kilometers in Celsius. Like it. And what we've all been waiting for, some sample clips. Don't forget your results will vary based on your motorcycle and installation. So in my case, my bike's a V-twin. It is quite vibraty, so there will be some little bit of shake that you'll see now and then. But other than that, I'm very, very happy with this dash cam. The way it deals with brightness and the sunlight and contrast. And it's really easy to see other vehicles. And now I can finally ride without my GoPro sometimes. I like to go just for a cruise, but I still want to be protected. Now the bike has me covered. It automatically records. It does 1 minute clips, so you can keep things very easily organized. You can go back and find what happened if something were to happen. Here's some video of me just cruising downtown right now. A lot of the lanes are closed, which is kind of weird because of the social distancing, so they give a road lane for pedestrians and cyclists to use. But you can see here, people are crossing the street. Everything's very clear. It's always funny seeing it attached to the steering too, because I'm all over the road here. Can't keep my bike vertical apparently. Lots of sample clips coming up here. Gonna put some music in. Enjoy these clips. I'll get some nighttime footage once it warms up. It's just too cold right now for me to go out, and a little too dangerous with cold tires. So enjoy these daytime clips. That concludes this video, guys, with the dash cam and the wireless charger. It works with all phones, don't forget. And leave a like rating if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next video.